All if me are dead for hungry, me still not gonna do that. I fuck with that. That camera there for me? Damn stupid. Use your common sense. Forget about Aisha and forget about equal rights. Fuck raw if you want to, use condom if you want to, but use your common sense. How stupid it would have been for me with my big oxtail and brown stew. Oh, me don't want no escovitch, me don't want no chicken back, me don't want no chicken patty, me don't want no bully beef, me don't want no barbecue, me don't want no kind of meat, me don't want nothing for drink unless it's your pussy juice. Me don't bother want the cider where I sell down the street. Yo, stop playing my blood clot, man. With the bumbo jungle. I can cook, I'm not a cruff. Stop playing my blood clot life, me I fight for my fucking mouth. You not kill me with this shit, blood clot. Me I give you 30-minute backers. Long tip cocky.
Robert, listen.
In your bumbo clot. I know you want to sit down on my face. Hey, go suck your mother. This is not about being a Jamaican youth. May I try to breed you? I have kids. But you want me to suck pussy?
I just want to sit on your bottom lip. That's it.
Move your bumbo clot. Go sit down on your father.
At this point, we briefly pause the interview to give Kelly a moment. His publicist helped calm him down.
Hope you can really suck good. Pussy cannot chew. Didn't you know that pussy can't even digest? Vagina hole, I gotta take body. My mother and my father told me not eat nothing when I cook or fry.
But Kelly's emotions remained raw.
Yeah, I thought about use my tongue, but my cocky big so. Yeah, man, measure it. Real thing. Me will stretch your ass, okay? Strangle you and tie up.